Morning guys, Vanna here, gonna show you how to do an omelet. Make it really easy, okay? So check this out. Just gonna scoot down so you can see what I'm up to. So I'm just gonna take my pan, preheat my pan on medium-high. And while that's going, I'm gonna cruise over to this side where I'm gonna get my ingredients going. So in here I have some spinach, habanero, just stuff that I've had in the fridge that needed to get used anyways, green onions. Take your eggs, crack your eggs in. Remember guys, don't have to be perfect when you're cooking, okay? Just like everything in life, you just do your best, okay? A couple of eggs go in. If you want to put a little salt, now's a good time to do it. Anything that you want to put in there, do it now, okay? A little bit of pepper. Okay. So while your pan's preheating, which takes about 2 minutes, it gives you a minute to kind of get your creation going. I like to do, I'm doing Parmesan cheese because it's just less fatty, I feel like. It feels a little healthier to me. And do about 2/3 of the cheese inside. That way you get some fried cheese going on inside your omelet. Yeah, we all love fried cheese. Okay, and then we're going to take our mixture and we're just going to mix it up. So normally when you make an omelet, you have to like fry the eggs first, and then you saute the ingredients inside in another pan, and then you put the ingredients inside the eggs after you flip the eggs over and made sure they're all cooked. And I mean, it's like really like tedious. So I'm just showing you a way that you could do it that's just a lot easier. You can make this every single day. It's like an omelet, almost like an omelet pancake in a way. And then you just fold it in half and booyah. Add some salsa. Some other things you could put in here, sweet potatoes, tomatoes, you know, top it with some avocado. So anyway, we got spinach, peppers, cheese, salt and pepper, couple of eggs, okay? Now let's cruise over here and check out what I'm gonna do with the pan. All right, so we need some water to make sure that it's hot enough. So once the water beads like that, it means that it's hot enough and it's good to go. So I'm gonna take the temperature from high, I'm gonna put it down to medium. Okay, now I'm gonna add a little bit of butter. You know what I always say, a little bit of butter always makes it better, right? So, I don't know, that's about like a teaspoon or something. And if you don't even want to put a whole lot, you don't. Like, I mean, that's plenty right there. Everything else from here is more just for flavor. If you ever see, I didn't even use it all, by the way. Like, I just used a little bit. If you ever see your butter is burning, just turn your pan down, okay? You do not want your oils or butters to ever smoke or burn. Dump in your ingredients. Get myself a spatula, just kind of scooping it all into the pan. Okay. This could be with 10 eggs. It could be gigantic, or it could just be with a few eggs. It's really up to you. Just kind of move it around so you have a little circle. You're like, stop it. This is too easy, right? I know. Kyle can probably do this. It's so simple. All right, there you go. So now you got all your little eggies going. I'm going to turn the heat back up because I do want some heat for this, people, okay? Because I want to fry the one side and I want to cook the other side. So let me grab myself a lid. And then I'm just going to take a little bit of water. You've seen me do this before probably, but I don't know. It's about a tablespoon of water or so. And you want to pour it on the stainless steel around and cover it immediately. So we're trying to capture that steam that's in there, okay? And then you always just feel the lid. When the lid's hot to touch like that, then you could just turn it off and leave, go have a shower, whatever. Or you could turn it down to low if there's a ton of eggs in there, okay? So it's really up to you whether you want to turn it down to low if you have a whole bunch of eggs, or just turn it off and come back in a few minutes, which you could do that as well. So yeah, we're just waiting. Normally about, I'd say about 30 seconds per egg is a good thing there. Don't open it. You don't want someone coming by and like, oh, what's in here? And then they open it because then they release all that steam that you need to cook the other side of the eggs, okay? This also works with fried eggs. Make sure you check out my videos. I just have done an egg yesterday, over easy, scrambled, lots of really cool methods, people. Make sure you subscribe, touch the bell down there, so every time I make a new video, you get it, okay? Like, these are really easy, fresh, delicious videos. You can do it too. Okay, so I'm just gonna go and take a peek at the eggs, see what's going on in there, okay? Let's check it out. So back down onto our little eggie. Let's see how it's doing. The lid's hot to touch, means it's in a vacuum. I don't think it's done, honestly, but I'm going to show you what happens if it's not done. So I'm going to open it. Is it done? I don't know. Let me see. Well, actually, it is done. So, you know, you don't see any wiggly stuff, and that's what you're looking for. Isn't that cool, guys? And the best part about it is how it comes out of the pan. So you just kind of go around a little circle, release it. You can see all the spinach is cooked. All the cheese is crispy on the bottom. We have our peppers and all of our goodies. And then I like to just get under there once you got it loose and flip. You could put a little cheese in the middle if you want to. Right there. Flip it over. Boom. Check it out. Put some more cheese on top. Let me show you a cheese melting trick, okay? So this pan's on low right now. You could do it again where you take the water. Because the water, that steam, I'm just going to turn it back up since I'm doing this. I want the pan to be really hot when I do that, okay? So I'm going to pour water again over here, cover it, and that little bit of steam from that water is going to melt our cheese, okay? So these are just a couple little tips that you can use to make such an amazing omelet, guys. Like, and it's so simple, and you can use anything you got. So let me grab a plate and show you how this looks, okay? I think I have one right here. Grab myself a plate, grab myself a handle, okay? Okay, gonna turn it off. Ooh, looks so good. I'll show you right now. See? Isn't that look awesome, people? So this is like, wow. Perfectly done omelet. I'm just gonna shake it, baby. Right out onto our plate. Okay, and yeah, serve it with some salsa. I like to put a little bit of awesome sauce. Sometimes I make like a face where I'm like, oh yeah, there's a couple of eyes, and then there's a smile, because it makes me happy when I eat it like that. Okay, anyways, I'm really super corny, but enjoy. If you have questions about cooking, let me know. You can do it too, people.